Meet Alex. He's 22, working his first real job, and just saw a pair of $200 sneakers online. He hesitated until the checkout screen flashed, "Pay $50 today with Klarna." Alex smiled, clicked agree, and thought he won. What Alex didn't know was that Silicon Valley designers spent $50 million building that exact button to trick his brain's financial pain receptors. When you hand over physical cash, your brain registers psychological loss. But when Klarna splits that same purchase into 4 small payments, your dopamine system registers a bargain. You think you spent $50 today, but math does not care about your feelings. You just committed your future paycheck for something you could not afford in the present. Fast forward 3 months. Alex has 4 active payment plans across Klarna, Afterpay, and PayPal. Then, on a random Tuesday, payment 3 gets declined. Klarna didn't send a friendly warning. They sent a $35 late fee, reported a delinquency to Equifax, and dropped Alex's credit score by 75 points overnight. The 0% interest rate is the cheese in the mousetrap. Modern payment apps aren't your friends. They are multi-billion-dollar algorithms engineered to remove friction from spending money you do not have. Across 20 micro-deductions, your checking account is quietly bled dry before your paycheck even lands. The moment Alex realized the game was rigged, he made a countermove. He uninstalled the installment apps, set up an automated transfer to a 5% high-yield savings account, and started keeping his capital in his own pocket. Stop financing a lifestyle to impress strangers. If you cannot afford to buy it twice in cash today, you cannot afford it.